Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this miracle rice. So this is basically shirataki, or what you would also call konnyaku flour basically. And if you look here, here's the ingredients, you guys can take a look at it. Here it is, cognac flour, citric acid, water. So it's a very crunchy type of texture. So no matter how hard or how long you cook it, it's always going to be crunchy. So, and it does have a little bit of water in there, so you're supposed to drain it and then rinse it and then use it. So I'm going to make a sort of like almost like a pasta out of this. So that way it's going to be different than regular pasta. So I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. So here it is open, if you guys can see that. It's just like a little gel-like, almost like a gel-like. So yeah, so I'm gonna cook it up and I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. There's a better look at it. As you can see, it's a very almost like gel-like texture, but the texture is very crunchy. Okay, so yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel. So I'm gonna cook it up with some pasta sauce and add some beef to it, and it should be good. So stay tuned for more videos, guys.